plus dW. The heat supplied or given out by a system is the change in internal energy plus the work done. Therefore, dQ equal to U final minus U initial. You know, the change in internal energy is a point function. It depends on the initial internal energy and final internal energy. So, U final minus U initial plus dW. And therefore, here in this case, the system is given to be releasing an amount of heat of 40 joules. So the heat released is negative, minus 40 is equal to U final is our interest to calculate, minus U initial is given as 70 joules, initially the internal energy with the gas, plus here the work is done on the gas, work done on the system is negative, so work done we have to